Tiada kaitan dengan sebarang tindakan pengganas. Lelaki yang ditahan kerana cuba menceroboh bahagian kokpit pesawat MAS penerbangan MH128 disahkan mengalami masalah mental dan pernah dirawat di sebuah hospital di Melbourne. Ketua Pesuruhjaya Polis Negeri Victoria Graham Chief berkata lelaki terbabit menaiki pesawat tersebut pada hari yang sama dia dibenarkan keluar dari unit psikiatrik Hospital University Monash.
We're no longer treating it as a counter-terrorism incident. We did initially because of the reports we had and the assessments that were being made. We subsequently, doing those assessments, it was determined this was a case really involving a mental health issue. And following on from that, all the intelligence that has been tested, where it's not showing any signs of any counter-terrorism link or any terrorism link to this individual or any known associates of this individual. So at this stage, it's no longer being treated as a terrorism incident.